What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we do actually have the S7 back in the shop. We already got it up on the lift. We're just trying to see if these downpipes are for it, which they are. We're going to install them tonight because tomorrow we have an appointment at 3 p.m. at APR to tune it. Right now it's making it around 450 horsepower. We're planning on it, well, not planning on it, we want
tomorrow it should go, it's gonna be like what, over 5?
It's gonna be over 550 easy, but we'll know for sure tomorrow. So without wasting any time, because it is getting late on us already and we want to knock this out, let's get to work.
Winter wind against your window pane, feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
I got their opinions, and I got mine. I used to care what you said about me. Now I ain't got the time. Taking on me, take a seat, it's okay. Start again, touch sleep, but know me. Still about the love, nothing's changed. Yeah, I don't play that game. 'Cause we're running out of time. So I gotta make
Alright guys, so we almost burned down the car. What we did not do is actually, we did not unplug the battery, and we decided to start moving all the harnesses around, and the O2 sensor touched the ground, and as you saw in the video, it started lightweight, a little bit fire, but
the thing is, yo, the only reason, all the wiring, look, the wiring is all covered, everything.
Yeah.
It literally melted through the actual wiring.
Yeah, it melted through the actual plastic.
Yo, we gotta disassemble this.
Yeah, we'll
Check it out.
We'll do it. So, but it was a pain in the ass to take that out from there. Those drums are huge. Look at that. But then what we're gonna, it's gonna be a lot easier putting these in because they don't have the cats and all the good stuff. But yeah, almost burned down the car, but we didn't because we're professional.
Faded in this dark and smoky room. Way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
Alright guys, we got everything installed. Now let's drop the car and see if it starts after the fire. I'm kidding. But yeah, let's start it and actually see how it sounds. I'm actually kind of curious. Because right now it just has like an X pipe. One of the resonators is gone, it has an X pipe. That's just for now, but later on is exhaust gonna come, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
Full on straight pipe.
It's gonna come. Let's give it a rev real quick. Yo, that sounds so good right now.
Alright guys, so the downpipes are finally in. Everything's complete, assembled. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. we're gonna take you guys with us. We're gonna go do the tune, see how much horsepower we can make this thing make. It's amazing.
How does it sound?
Dude,
Sounds a heck of nice.
it sounds so nice. Honestly, worth
the 3 hours.
4 hours of work.
It
worth
sounds
it.
so good. I was not expecting that. Honestly, you don't even need exhaust, dude.
No, it's
I mean,
It's already too loud.
dude, yeah,
Yo.
it's crazy when you downshift. The thing
I
rattles
thought
like an
I
AMG
thought Subaru
63.
downpipe is hard to change because of those bolts that you have to get under. But god damn it, you have two of them in a more difficult
Right.
spot. I mean, also, if you guys were wondering, we did not mess up the Audi anyway. Starts up, no lights on the dashboard, not even a check engine light.
All we need to do is order a new O2 sensor because it did touch the ground and it burned a little bit. So it's like $40. So
Yeah. I mean,
it's
the
easy
check,
to
the
reach.
check engine light's not even on. It's gonna turn on in a little bit after you drive it since there's no cats. But we're gonna catch you guys tomorrow at 3 p.m. when we're gonna go get this baby tuned.
What is up, guys? This is currently the second day. We did pull up to the water-cooled racing development location where they are going to do the stage 2 APR tune for us. So let's go inside and get it done. It should take about an hour, and after that we're going to see how much horsepower we're pushing, and we're going to take some test runs on the Audi, some around the straight road, and show you guys the speed difference between stock and well, we don't know ourselves. So let's get that done and let's see how it works out.
Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, shut all the world down just to
Alright guys, well this is actually going to be it for today's video. For next video, we're actually going to do a little challenge between a stock Audi S7 and this Audi S7. The speed completely changed. It has a lot of power, right? It has a lot of power. This thing's crazy, first of all. But I just love the way it sounds right now with just an X pipe and some downpipes. So not really no exhaust needed or any of that stuff. We thought we were going to do a full exhaust, but we're not. But we have a lot more stuff coming to this car: rims, wrap, all this good stuff. Maybe wide body, who knows, or we'll see. But I hope you guys like this video, and make sure to smash that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram at Foreign Builds. And thanks for all the love and support. Peace.
one single night dreaming about you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing.